Hello viewers, today we will be solving the IB Math AHL November 2024 paper 2 question number 5. You will be getting the solutions for the first 4 questions of this paper and the other solutions of the other questions from the other past papers in form of playlists on my channel NS Online Math Tutoring classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math AHL level tutor. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start solving this question. The maximum mark is 5. Consider the function h of x equal to log of 4x square minus rx plus r minus 1 to the base 10, where x is a real number. Find the possible values of r. It is containing 5 marks. Okay. So because this expression is the argument for this log function, therefore we should be knowing that this expression's value, for whatever may be the value of x or r, this expression's value should be more than 0. It should be a positive number. Okay, so therefore we can write 4x square minus rx plus r minus 1 is greater than 0. And this is a quadratic expression for x. It is a quadratic expression. Okay, so its graph will be a parabola. And because the coefficient of x squared is a positive number, therefore the parabola will be opening upwards. Okay, it will be opening upwards. And for every value of x, the value of this expression, the function value, will be more than 0. So, the parabola will be totally above the x-axis. I do not know where will be crossing the y-axis. I have no idea, but I know that it will be totally above the x-axis because for every value of x, the function value, this, if I consider this to be f of x, this function value should be more than 0. So the graph will not be touching the x-axis. If it touches the x-axis or crosses the x-axis, there will be x values for which the expression will be equal to 0 or less than 0. If it crosses the x-axis, there will be this part for corresponding x values, the function value will be less than 0. But over here, we are saying for every value of x, the function value will be greater than 0. This is what you have to realize. Once you understand this, that the graph will be, the parabola will be totally above the x-axis, you will be knowing the discriminant value should be less than 0. It is not that there will not be any solution, because this is not having any real solution, so the discriminant value has to be less than 0. Because if it had some real solution, then the parabola would have at least met the x-axis or crossed the x-axis. But it is not crossing or meeting the x-axis at any place for any value of x. So discriminant should be less than 0. This is what you have to understand, this one and this one. And what is the discriminant expression? Therefore, discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Okay, so b is negative r. So negative r whole square minus 4 times e is 4 times c is r minus 1. Should be less than 0. Okay, so r square minus 16 r, I am expanding also, plus 16 is less than 0. Okay, and this is also a quadratic expression in r, and r square coefficient is 1, so the parabola will be opening upwards. Okay, so it will be having this shape and its y-intercept is plus 16, so it will be of this type. Okay, and we need the r values for which this expression is less than 0. So we are interested in this portion. Okay, so we need to know these two zeros. So the r values between these two zeros will be the solution for this inequality. Clear? And we are seeing r square minus 16r plus 16. I do not feel that it can be factorized. Let us use the quadratic formula. Okay, so it is minus b, so 16 plus minus square root of 16 square, it is 256. You may check. So negative 16 whole square is 256. Minus 4ac, so 4 times 1 times 64, 16. 4 times 1 times 16 divided by 2 times 1. Okay. So now, therefore, r is equal to 16 plus minus, this is 256 minus 64 over 2. Okay, 256 minus 64 is equal to 192. So this is equal to 16 plus minus square root of 192 over 2. And let me get the factors. So 192, it is 2 and 9 and 6 and 2 and 4 and 8, 224, 212, 26, 23. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 twos and 1 3. And it is a square root, so we will be pairing the numbers. So, and I'll be taking out 1, 2 from each pair. So it is 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So it is 16 plus minus 8 root 3 over 2, or r equal to 8 plus minus 4 root 3. Okay. So therefore, possible values of r, it should be 8 plus 4 root 3 is this one, and 8 minus 4 root 3 is this one. And we need the r values between these two. Okay. Because then the function value will be negative, or expression value will be negative. Possible values of r will be 8 minus 4 root 3 is greater than, is less than rather, r, and r is less than 8 plus 4 root 3. Okay. You can give your answer in this form. It's not that because it is paper 2, you have to use your calculator and give some decimal value. You can give the answer in this format. And if you feel that this will be saving some time, you can absolutely go for this exact values. Okay. So we have completed solving this question. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like and share this video in case you have liked my explanation, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your liking, sharing and subscribing will be really helping me a lot. It will be motivating me. It will be telling the YouTube that my video is worth watching. So my video's reach will be increasing. And so it will be helping me. And we meet again very soon in our next session. We will be solving the question number 6 of the same paper. Till then, bye.